Hello. Today I want to talk about this lovely weed that I have growing almost everywhere in my side rose garden. It is called Purslane or Purslane. Also, I've heard it called Mexican pigweed. So it is a weed. However, I let it just kind of pop up and grow because it is edible and it's actually really good for you. It's basically a green leafy vegetable. So, instead of having to go to the grocery store and buy spinach or broccoli or something like that, I can just go out into the yard and pick some purslane and cook it up. Even though it starts off pretty small, it gets really big, and it will go a long way. So like one little plant will get quite large, and from one plant you can harvest this much. So this all came from one of my purslane weeds that I've let grow in the yard, and so you can see you don't need that many if you don't want to eat that much of it. I'll show you what it looks like as like a little sprout, that way you can identify it. I'll show you what it looks like full grown, and then I'll show you just how to harvest it. It's fairly easy. It's a weed. It grows like a weed, like I said, and but it only grows where you water. So that's why it's growing all around where my roses are, because I have the soaker hose, and so the soaker hose is getting the roses, and then everywhere else along the line is getting water as well. So these purslane weeds do like to grow up where you water. People do ask me, does it taste good? And think about green leafy vegetables. Do you like spinach? I do, so yes, I think it tastes good. So if you don't like, Brussels sprouts, broccoli, spinach, any of that, you probably won't like the purslane. However, I do think that it has a really good taste. It's probably not as, I think it's better than like a Brussels sprout would be. And like I said, it's free, growing in my backyard, so I do not have to buy anything from the store. So if I make a meat and I need like a vegetable for the side, I can just go out and harvest the purslane. So here is the purslane, and here is what it looks like as like a little baby, a little sprout right there. This guy's a little bit older. It's characterized, it kind of looks like a succulent with the foliage, but that is it. And here it is, large and mature. So again, it looks has very succulent looking leaves. It has like a stem. Sometimes it's this lighter color, greener stem. Sometimes they turn reddish. But this is it. And you can see I think this is just one, and it's huge. So if you see just one of the little babies like this, he has the potential to get really, really big if you let it, especially if you're going to water. And that will, I think, depending on how much you like and how much you eat, that might be enough for you. I kind of did an experiment this year with my yard to see what would happen if I just didn't pull all of them, and I will show you that. So here I let one grow up along the side of this rose, and I actually just took a bunch out, harvested a bunch from it this morning, that way I could walk on my path again, but it had completely engulfed the path. So they are weeds, so remember that. And here is probably where I have the most growing up. This was back where I was filming earlier, and you can see they've kind of just taken over this area. So here I have more purslane growing. It's kind of in the way and going over the little path there to get to my bench. However, it's like 110 degrees out right now, and I am not going to sit on that bench, so I'm not really missing anything by this getting up in my way. but you can see it is a weed and it will take over. I don't think it looks terribly bad. It kind of looks like a succulent. It'll add green to the yard. And in this case, I have this little topiary rose, and I believe that because it's growing over the base of that rose, it is going to help shade the base of the rose and help keep it cool in the summer. So it's not all bad, but yes, it is a weed. So one thing to be cautious of or aware of is that, yes, this purslane is edible, and when this flowers, it'll put on like a little yellow flower. And so the flowers are edible, the leaves are edible, the stalks are edible. It's all edible. However, you will get, you know, other weeds that may grow up with it. So, you know, you want to be careful when you harvest it, because you don't want to be eating these that are not the purslane. So just be careful when you harvest it that you're just grabbing the actual purslane plant, and be mindful when you're looking at the plant that it doesn't have any of these weeds growing up in it. Okay, so like I said, this is all edible. So when you go to harvest it, you can just grab it like so and snip it, and there you have it. And then what I like to do with this is kind of replace a green leafy vegetable. So if you want to make an omelet instead of spinach, you can throw this into it. I really like to bake it with some like avocado oil or butter, garlic and onion, maybe even some mushroom. Just roast it in the oven. You can pan fry it. It's all good. So there you go. And when these make flowers, the yellow flowers, those are edible as well. So when you're harvesting it, you can eat the flowers too. So there you have it. It's really good for you, highly nutritious, as any green leafy vegetable would be, and free in your backyard. So I'll talk to you next time. Bye.